Hello everybody and welcome back to another edition of Matchbox Marks Diecast Restorations. On the roundabout today, got another classic Lesney for you, and this is the refrigerator truck. I do believe, let me turn it right side up. Let me see here, there it is, refrigerator truck. I've done one of these before, and I do have a couple doors coming in from Recovery Toy. Hardest part is matching the refrigerator part, but anyway, I've done it before and it came out pretty decent. It's almost the same exact color as the Mercedes truck. So anyway, so that is this project, so stick around and let's have a good time. All right, folks, here is my refrigerator truck taken apart. All right, now let's go get every piece cleaned up. All right, stick around. All right, here's an update on my refrigerator truck. See if I can get that good detail with that Tamiya paint. There's that. And here's this, the little rivets on the side. That's really cool. Anyway, I'm going to paint this a nice coat of red, and this my nice aqua. If I can make it, I'll try. Well, I have to make it. All right, stick around. Before we take a look at the final reveal, let's see what we started with. Started with a factory Lesney refrigerator truck, and let's see where I ended up. All right, folks, it is time for my reveal for my refrigerator truck. So this one got a complete overhaul. I even took off the front grill there where it says GMC and actually painted that a haze gray. And if you ever do this model, get the Tamiya Coral Blue. This is like a spot-on match right here. Coral Blue, TS41. This one here actually is the closest thing I could get rather than doing it from scratch. So anyway, I did get a door from Recovery Toy. So painted the tires, chromed the axles, got a new door, took it all apart. So there you have it. And I can't remember in the opening clip if this bumper was broken, because I actually did a fleet of these. Actually, so let me take this one off. The one I tried to fix, but I didn't have any luck. So there we go. 1, 2. That one's broken right there. 3. And then 4. So here they are, folks. From here on out, I'm going to be doing a lot of fleets. I won't show them all. I'll just pick one and show them. So anyway, these are them. They all actually came out really good. So building up my collection for the future. All right, I want to thank you for watching, of course. And if you're going to leave a comment, please be kind and respectful. That's all I ask. And on that note, I'll catch you on the next video.
That's all, folks.